Cod liver oil meaning in Tamil. Cod liver oil does not have a single direct translation in Tamil. However, we can describe it using a combination of words. So let's start with the first word, that is meen ennai. This literally translates to fish oil and is the most general way to describe cod liver oil. The second word is meen kalliraal ennai. This translates to fish liver oil and is more specific, indicating the source of oil. The third word is Cod mean kalliraal ennai. This is the most specific option, mentioning cod mean, which literally translates to codfish and clarifies the exact type of fish used. So additionally, if we want to explain it with the help of vitamin A and D, so I will tell you an expression, that is vitamin A marum D nirainthu mean ennai. This translates to fish oil rich in vitamins A and D. So you must remember that the best way to describe cod liver oil in Tamil depends on the specific context, whatever you want to explain. Another term that I will explain translates to oil that helps in bone development, that is elumbu, valarchiga, uthavum, ennai, focusing on one of the main benefits of this oil. So you can explain it based on the context where it is used.